Well, I decided to put another weather video out this afternoon, about 12:44, Saturday, January 25th, 2014. Can you believe it? A month since Christmas. This afternoon, we have a band of snow showers extending from immediate southeastern Massachusetts near the canal, and that's moving southeast. However, temperatures are actually a little bit warmer on the Cape, so precipitation may start as a form of rain showers, may go over to little snow showers, but either way, it's not a big deal. There's another area right along the front, the cold front now extending over eastern Ohio, stretching southeastward into the Kentucky and Tennessee, and then it's all moving to the east. So this afternoon you can expect generally cloudy skies. A few sunny breaks are possible. However, not, widespread sunshine. It will be a very windy afternoon. Wind advisories do continue until 7 o'clock, although wind advisory criteria has not really been yet met on the Cape and Islands. Still getting gusts close to 40 and even 45 in some cases. Temperatures have already reached the low 40s in a lot of places, unbelievably warmer compared to yesterday. And that trend should continue. Temperatures should pretty much steady out by now, and will fall probably when we get showers, like I said. And briefly, it could turn to a snow shower before turning back to showers, rain showers. It's just one of those atmospheric days where if the precipitation falls heavy enough, it can bring enough colder air down where you get snow showers, but as soon as that area weakens, you end up with rain showers, and that's exactly what we're seeing with this scenario. So anyway, south winds should be at 10 to 25 miles per hour, a little bit stronger near the south coast and islands, with gusts reaching up towards between 40 and 50 miles per hour should do it this afternoon. Rough seas and sounds and bays, in fact gale warnings are in effect there, so it's going to be kind of a rough trip if you make it across from the islands to the Cape or vice versa. As we go into tonight, that cold front will finally push offshore sometime early this evening. Another round of rain showers, possibly changing to a period of snow showers before ending. Very little, if any, accumulation expected, however, nothing major to report there. However, overnight, skies will become partly cloudy in most areas, maybe more clouds towards the islands, where that wind's west-southwest, off that warmer water, relatively speaking. A very cold night expected, with low temperatures down to 15 to 20 degrees generally across the region. And that wind gusting between 20 and 30 miles per hour will make wind chills down into the single numbers, so it's going to be very cold if you're going out later tonight for any events or anything else going on. On your Sunday, we should see high pressure finally building in with some cold, much colder conditions than today, certainly. Probably about 20 degrees colder tomorrow than they were today, the readings. High temperatures not going much above the lower 20s, let's say 20 to 25 for good measure. Again, west and northwest winds gusting between 20 and 30 miles per hour. It means wind chills generally in the upper single digits to mid-teens, let's put it that way. So it's a very cold day coming up on Sunday, but at least there'll be some sunshine. The only caveat to that will be across Nantucket and the outer Cape, where you got more ocean effect cloudiness mixing with the sun. So may not be quite as much sunshine there. As we go into your Sunday night, we'll have clouds increasing late. Early in the evening, we'll have some radiational cooling. Temperatures will fall down probably into the low teens before rising into the 20s to around 30 during the course of the night. As winds become more southwesterly again, very similar to what we saw last night, but not quite as strong. We don't believe the winds will be quite as strong, although certainly blustery. And a few snow showers could break out during the overnight hours on Sunday night to Monday morning. Not out of the realm of possibilities, but again, nothing heavy. And this is the response to another cold front, which will be sliding through sometime late Monday. So we could see a few snow showers and going over a few rain showers. Again, nothing major. I don't expect much of it. Just a nuisance value, if you will. Variable cloudiness again Monday, and temperatures again reaching the low 40s probably. So we've had ups and downs in the temperatures, and we'll continue to see that. So 20 degrees up today from yesterday, 20 degrees down tomorrow from today, and 20 degrees up from Monday. So that's not the most healthiest kind of weather to deal with, but that's what looks like we're going to be having. We should see winds gusty out of the southwest, but not like they are today. A cold front will sweep through Monday night. We'll see partly cloudy skies. Colder weather again, temperatures in the low to mid-teens, and again wind chills will be cold. And Tuesday it looks like mostly sunny skies with high temperatures generally in the upper teens to around 20 at the most. It's going to be a very cold day on Tuesday. Again, we're still looking at the latest models on this storm system we've been talking about for a couple days. The latest models this morning I've looked at still show the storm primarily offshore. However, I really am not comfortable with that yet because we are still days out, and models have been, as you know from the last storm, have switched back and forth a lot. So we're not out of the woods quite yet on Wednesday. It's not out of the realm of possibility we could at least have some fringe effects with some light snow or snow showers, but again, we will have to wait and see. But there will be more cloud cover probably on Wednesday than certainly we would like. Very cold temperatures, again, upper teens to lower 20s at the most. Wednesday night we'll see partly cloudy skies with low temperatures dipping down into the teens again to around 20. And on Thursday, it will be a cold day, but not nearly as cold as the next couple of days early next week. Temperatures mid to upper 20s on Thursday. Thursday night, another clear, partly cloudy sky, lows in the teens to around 20. And Friday, even milder, highs in the lower to mid-30s, and probably a little higher than Saturday, although we'll have a weaker cold front come through late next week. This kind of air coming in behind that will not be truly Arctic, so it will be a little bit of a milder cold front, if that makes any sense. There is a possibility we could see a storm system late next week, sometime around Sunday, but we're still too far out to really determine that right now. So, again, to reiterate, we've got wild temperature changes the next few days, cold weather early next week, moderating late next week, and a storm system probably going to miss us on Wednesday, and just nuisance storms both today and on Monday. Thank you very much for watching my weather video, and this is Tom Woodman reporting.